In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Hostinger email, whether you're using the Titan webmail interface directly or if you're connecting your Hostinger email to Gmail. This ensures that your email presence stays up to date and personal, giving your emails a professional and unique touch. We'll break this down into two distinct methods to accommodate different preferences. Let's dive right into the first method, which involves using the Titan webmail interface. To start, you'll need to access your Hostinger email account by logging in through the Hostinger website. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Look for the Emails tab and give that a click. This is the hub for managing all things related to your email. From there, you'll need to open the Titan email interface. This is where you'll carry out most of your email customization. Next, locate the profile or account settings within the Titan email interface. This is typically where you can manage your personal information related to the account. To update your profile picture, click on your current profile icon or look out for a designated edit button. You'll upload a new image by selecting a photo from your computer in either JPEG or PNG format, two of the most widely used image types. Lastly, don't forget to save your changes to update the profile picture. And there you have it. Your Titan email now sports a fresh profile picture. Now let's move on to the second method, which is connecting your Hostinger email to a Gmail account. If you're more comfortable handling your emails through Gmail or simply prefer its interface, this method will suit you perfectly. Start from your Hostinger dashboard. Head over to the Emails section again and select Manage. Here you'll see the option to connect your Hostinger business email to a Gmail account. Make sure you follow the steps directed under the Accounts and Import settings in Gmail. Once you've successfully linked your accounts, log into your newly connected Gmail account. You're looking for the Settings option, which you can find by clicking the gear icon located usually in the upper right corner. Go ahead and click on See All Settings to access the full range of options available. Within the settings, it'll be a simple hover over your profile picture and a click on the camera icon that'll allow you to upload a new photo from your computer. After uploading, don't forget to crop it to your liking and save the image as your new profile picture. So, whether you're managing your emails directly through the Titan interface or connecting them to Gmail for a more centralized experience, changing your profile picture can be straightforward. Doing this not only adds a personal touch to your emails, but also keeps your contact information visually up to date for whoever receives your emails. Thanks for tuning in.